there's like a huge snowstorm outside, so I'm gonna be staying in, and I really hope that the lighting is okay for you guys because I am too lazy to get the ring light. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So for those of you who have like frizzy, curly, or wavy hair and you want to air dry your hair so let your natural curls come through, but you don't have any of your styling products on hand, my quick tip is this. You actually can use a little bit of conditioner. So when you get out of the shower, your hair would be sopping wet. You take a little bit of conditioner in the palm of your hand, rub it in your hands like lotion, scrunch it in like usual, and your conditioner actually works as a leave-in conditioner. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, just click right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.